Welcome to our channel. Today we how to scale your dropshipping ventures using ReCharge. Detailed guide step by step clearly. Understand the purpose of ReCharge in the dropshipping ecosystem. ReCharge allows you to manage subscriptions and recurring billing seamlessly. Begin by integrating ReCharge with your e-commerce platform. Select a platform like Shopify or BigCommerce that supports ReCharge. Install the ReCharge app from the respective app store. Complete the setup process by following on-screen instructions. Customize your subscription plans to suit your product offerings. Consider various subscription models, such as weekly, monthly, or bi-monthly. Define your pricing strategy for these subscription plans. Ensure your product descriptions clearly outline the benefits of subscribing. Utilize ReCharge's analytics tools to monitor customer engagement. Track metrics like customer retention, sales growth, and average order value. Adjust your marketing strategies based on the insights gathered. Set up automation for billing and order confirmations through ReCharge. Streamline customer communication to enhance the user experience. Regularly update your product offerings to keep subscriptions interesting. Consider bundling products to increase the value of your subscriptions. Promote your subscription service on social media and your website. Leverage testimonials and reviews to build trust in your subscription model. Continuously evaluate your performance using ReCharge's reporting features. Refine your approach based on the data collected over time. Stay informed about industry trends and adapt your strategies accordingly. By following these steps, you can effectively scale your dropshipping ventures using ReCharge. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.